Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell to get updated from us. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you to enable notifications in your Microsoft Math Solver app. In the previous videos, I have taught you to download and sign into your Microsoft Math Solver app, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you to enable notifications for your Microsoft Math Solver app. This process is very simple and easy. Also, this process is similar for Android and iOS device. Also, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, let's get straight into the process. Open your Microsoft Math Solver app. Here we go. Now, at the top right corner, you can see the settings icon. Tap on that. Now, here you can see different options. Tap on that option, notifications. Now you can see that notify me when new quizzes are available. Now you have to tap on that icon. In this way you can turn on, and in this way you can again turn off. In this way you can easily enable the notifications for your Microsoft Math Solver app. I hope this video will help you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we post new videos. Thank you.